Hi guys, this is Hassan. In this video, we will be teaching you what is cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency, sometimes called cryptocurrency or crypto, is any form of currency that exists digital or virtually and use cryptography to secure transactions. Cryptocurrencies do not have central issuing or regulatory authority, instead using a decentralized system to record transactions and issue new units. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital payment system that does not rely on banks to verify transactions. It's a peer-to-peer system that can enable anyone anywhere to send and receive payments instead of being physical money carried around and exchanged in the real world. Cryptocurrency payments exist purely as digital entries to an online database describing some specific transactions. When you transfer cryptocurrency funds, the transactions are recorded in a public ledger. Cryptocurrency is stored in digital wallets. Cryptocurrency rewards its name because it uses crypto encryption to verify transactions. This means advanced coding is involved in storing and transmitting cryptocurrency data between wallets and to public ledgers. The aim of encryption is to provide security and safety. The first cryptocurrency was Bitcoin was found in 2009 and remains the best known today. Much of the interest in cryptocurrencies is trade for profit with spectacular at times driving prices skyward. How does cryptocurrency work? Cryptocurrency run on distributed public ledger called blockchain, a record of all transactions updated and held by currency holders. Units of cryptocurrency are created through a process called mining, which involves using computer power to solve complicated mathematical problems that generate coins. User can also branch the currency from booker they store and spend them using cryptographic wallets. If you own cryptocurrency, you do not own anything tangible. What you own is a key that allows you to move a record or a unit of measurement from one person to another without a trusted third party. Although Bitcoin has been around since 2009, cryptocurrencies and applications of blockchain technology are still emerging in financial terms and more use as expected in the future. Transition including bonds, stocks, and other financial assistance could eventually be traded using regular technology. Cryptocurrency example. There are thousands of cryptocurrencies. Some of the best known include Bitcoin. Found in 2009, Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency and is still the most commonly traded. The currency was divided by Stokshi Nakamoto was believed to be for an individual or group of people whose precise identifier remains unknown. Ethereum. Developed in 2005, Ethereum is a blockchain platform with its own cryptocurrency called Ether or Ethereum. It is most popular cryptocurrency after Bitcoin. Litecoin. This currency is more similar to Bitcoin but has moved more quickly to develop new innovations including faster payments and processes to allow more transactions. Ripple. Ripple is a distributed ledger system that was founded in 2012. Ripple can be used to track different kinds of transactions, not just cryptocurrency. The company behind it has worked with various banks and financial institutions. Non-Bitcoin cryptocurrencies are collectively known as allocated coins to distinguish them from the original. How to buy cryptocurrency? You may be wondering how to buy cryptocurrency actually. There are typical three steps involved. These are choosing a platform. The first step is deciding which platform to use. Generally, you have choose between a traditional broker or dedicated cryptocurrency exchange. Traditional bookers. There are only bookers which offer ways to buy and sell cryptocurrency as well as other financial assistance like stocks, bonds, and ETF. These platforms tend to offer low trading costs but fewer crypto features. Cryptocurrency exchanges. There are many cryptocurrency exchanges to choose from, each offering different cryptocurrencies, wallet, storage, instant bearing account options, and more. Many exchanges charge asset-based fees. When comparing different platforms, consider which cryptocurrencies are and offer what fees that change the security feature, storage and withdrawal option, and any educational resources. Funding your account. Once you have chosen your platform, the next step is to fund your account so you can begin transaction. Most crypto exchanges allow users to purchase crypto using flat government issues currencies such as the US dollar and the British pound or the euro using their debit or credit cards. Also, they vary by platform. Crypto purchases with credit cards are considered risky and some exchanges do not support them. Some credit and companies do not allow crypto transaction either. This is because cryptocurrencies are highly volatile and it is not advisable to risk going into debut or potentially paying high credit card transaction fees for certain assistance. Some platforms will also accept ACH transfer and wire transfer. They accept payment methods and taken for deposit or withdrawal different for platforms. Equally, the time taken for deposit to clear varies by payment method. An important factor to consider is fees. These include potential deposit and withdrawal transaction fees plus trading fees. Fees will be payment method and platform, which is something to research at the outset. Placing an order. You can place an order via your booker or exchange web or mobile platform. If you are planning to buy cryptocurrency, you can do so by selecting buy, choose the order type, entering the amount of cryptocurrency you want to purchase, and confirming the order. The same process applies to sell orders. There are also other ways to invest in crypto. These include payment services like PayPal, Cash App, and Venmo, which allows user to buy, sell, or hold cryptocurrency. In addition, there are following investments vehicles. Bitcoin Trust. You can buy shares of Bitcoin Trust with regular brokerage account. These vehicles give retail investor exposure to crypto through the stock market. These are Bitcoin and Bitcoin mutual fund to choose from. You can also indirectly invest in crypto through blockchain companies that specialize in technology behind crypto and crypto transactions. Alternatively, you can buy stocks of companies that can use blockchain technology. Alright guys, that enough for today. I will be seeing you in another video. Have a nice day.